Runde is a very remote location from a traditional human perspective. However, from the sea's perspective, we are really at a crossroads. The Gulf Stream hits land here, mixes with the coastal current and creating new conditions for life in the ocean. It is the gateway to the Atlantic, basically. My name is Karsten Kvalsund. I'm a theoretical physicist, astrophysicist by background. I've been working here for 12 years, not with astrophysics, but with ocean physics. We have a nature crisis and a climate crisis, and these are more or less serious problems in this age. The EcoCoast project have been going on for 1.5 decades, more or less, basically trying to find the baseline. What is normal variation, and lots of key parameters of the state of the ocean. In the EcoCoast project, we are a subcontractor to NIVA, the Norwegian Institute of Water Research. We are doing the measurements here locally for them. So there's lots of stations up and down the coast, and we measure them every month. We look for nutrients, plankton, physical parameters, seaweed. We see how parameters are going up or down and look for patterns here and try to find the reasons for those patterns. All the data will go into international databases and will be available for researchers from all over the world. We look at the concrete conditions in the sea. What is the capacity for the ocean to absorb the human affluence? Climate change has been a passion for me for decades, basically, and being here I can contribute, in small part, yes, but I can contribute monitoring this and trying to find some answers.